Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first contestant. Contestant number 1, Irungbam Pinky Devi. Contestant number 1, Irungbam Pinky Devi.
Good evening, Kuchibai. My name is Irungbam Pinky Devi, 22 years old from Moirang, Bisnupur district. Currently pursuing B Farm at Birtikandrasit University, Kanchipur. I love modeling and acting, and I aspire to become an actress. Thank you, Kuchibai.
We have contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate. Contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate.
Good evening, everyone. Goodbye. I am Gloria Sanate from Saikot, Churachandpur district. I am 24 years young. I have completed my graduation at Churachandpur College. I love cooking and traveling. My aim in life is to become an international cabin crew. Thank you. Goodbye.
We have contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate, ladies and gentlemen. Your contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate. Next we have contestant number 3, Bahoi Chong Hauke.
Good evening, everyone. Goodbye. This is Bahoi Chong Hauki from Gangprizang village, Gangpokpi district. I am 24 years of age, currently preparing for my PhD entrance. I love to play basketball and also love to learn guitar during my spare time. And I aspire to become a professor in geography. Thank you and goodbye.
Churachandpur, we have contestant number 3, Bahoi Chong Hauke. Next we have contestant number 4, Lokrakpam Hillary Chanu Churachandpur. Contestant number 4, Lokrakpam Hillary Chanu.
Kuchibai. I'm Lokrokom Hilary Chanu from Moirangkampu Sajep, a small village in Imphal East district of Manipur. I'm 19 years old and I'm currently pursuing my BA Honours in History at S.K. Women College, Nambol. I love singing and reading novels. In future, I aspire to be a lawyer. Thank you. Kuchibai.
Churachandpur, we have our contestant number 4, Lokrokom Hilary Chanu. Next up, we have contestant number 5, Kim Ching-Them Sing Soon.
Good evening to everyone present here. I am Kim Ching-Them Sing Soon, 23 years young, hailing from Modbung. I have finished my graduation from Don Bosco College, Maram in Botany BSc Honours. Right now, I am working as a teacher. My hobbies are spending my time with children and crochet knitting. And my aim in life is to become a successful entrepreneur. Thank you. Kuchibai.
Churachandpur, we have contestant number 5, Kim Ching-Them Sing Soon. Now we have contestant number 6, Alice Ningzozam Baipe.
Good evening and Kuchibai. I am Alice Ningzozam Baipe, 19 years old, currently pursuing my BA first semester. I'm from Saitu Sapormain of Kangpopi district. My hobby includes playing guitar and I love traveling it too. And I aspire to become an international flight attendant. Thank you. Kuchibai.
In front of us is contestant number 6, Alice Ningzozam Baipe. Churachandpur, we have our next contestant, contestant number 7, Hatneva Kipgen.
Good evening, Kuchibai. My name is Hatneva Akipgen, 18 years old, currently residing at Kangpopi. Right now, I'm pursuing my BSc first semester at Presidency College. My hobby includes dancing and watching movies. My aim in life is to become an international cabin crew. Thank you. Kuchibai.
Here we have contestant number 7, Hatneva Kipgen. contestant number 8, Vatnathim Haukip.
Good evening, everyone. I am Vatnathim Haukip from Saparmina, Kangpopi District, Manipur, and I am 18 years old, currently pursuing my first semester in Modern College in FAR. My hobbies are reading books, eating, and gardening. My biggest dream is to be confident, positive outlook toward other different circumstances, myself according to the situation. Good debate. Thank you.
Churachandpur, we have our contestant number 8, Vatnathim Haukip. Churachandpur, we have our next contestant, contestant number 9, Tuibong Sushima Devi.
Good evening, Kuchibai. This is Tuibong Sushima Devi, born and raised at Thawbal Achouba Bazar Makha, Thawbal District, Manipur. I'm 20 and currently pursuing graduation 5th semester at DM College of Arts. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I love dancing, singing, reading novels. Last but not least, I aspire to be a committed civil servant. Thank you and Kuchibai.
This is our contestant, contestant number 9, Tuibong Sushima Devi. We have our next contestant, contestant number 10, Ning Dae Kim. Churachandpur, we have our next contestant, contestant number 10, Ning Dae Kim.
Hello everyone, my name is Ning Dae Kim. I'm from Koite, Churachandpur. I'm 18 years of age and I'm currently studying in 11th standard. I love singing, cooking and playing basketball, and my aim in life is to become a successful entrepreneur. Thank you. Kuchibai.
Contestant number 10, Ning Dae Kim. We have our next contestant, contestant number 11, Nancy Mayang Langbam. This is contestant number 11, Nancy Mayang Langbam. Up next, we have contestant number 12, CC Lingdei Chongkim Kongsai. Contestant number 12, CC Lingdei Chongkim Kongsai.
Good evening, everyone. Good Chibay. My name is Sisi Kongsai. I'm from National Game Village, Imphal. I'm 19 years young. I'm presently studying in 12th standard. My hobbies are cooking, singing, and gardening. My aim in life is to become a fashion designer. Thank you. Good Chibay.
We have contestant number 12, CC Lingdei Chongkim Kongsai. Churachandpur, contestant Gupom Nolaye. Next up, we have contestant number 13, KH Kim Hoi Pal Vaipe. Contestant number 13, KH Kim Hoi Pal Vaipe.
Hello everyone, I am KH Kim Hoi Pal Vaipe, 19 years young, from Leilon Kono, Leimakong. Currently, I'm pursuing my tourism and hospitality management course at Imphal College. I love spending time with children and elderly people. In the near future, I would like to see myself becoming a very successful and responsible woman. Thank you. Goodbye.
We have contestant number 13, KH Kim Hoi Pal Vaipe. Next up, we have contestant number 14, Kim Nun Them Angelica Bora.
Hello everyone, good evening, goodbye. My name is Kim Nun Them Angelica Bora. I am 22 years old. I'm from Assam. I am a fresh graduate from Assam University, Silchar, with a bachelor's degree in English honors. I am currently preparing for my competitive exams. My hobbies include singing, reading, sketching, and playing musical instruments. My aim in life is to be a successful woman. Thank you. Goodbye.
We have contestant number 14, Kim Nun Them Angelica Bora. Next we have contestant number 15, Rosie Nyang Biak Moy. Contestant number 15, Rosie Nyang Biak Moy.
Hi everyone,
My name is Rosin Yangbyeok from Churachandpur district, Manipur. I am 23 years of age. I completed my graduation this year in education honors from Sisipur College. My hobbies include cooking, traveling, modeling, and acting. My aim in life is to become an army officer. Thank you. Goodbye.
We have contestant number 15, Rosie Nyangbyak Noy. Up next, we have contestant number 16, Teresa Nyangai Sang. Contestant number 16, Teresa Nyangai Sang.
Good evening, Kuchibai. I am Teresa Nyangaisang Varte from Churachandpur, Rinkai Bible Hill, and I am 20 years young, and I love singing, dancing, acting, and playing basketball, and I aspire to become a psychologist in the coming future. Thank you, Kuchibai.
This is your contestant number 16, Teresa Nyangaisang. Only 2 contestants remain. We have next contestant number 17, Mercy Tinechong Kipgen. Contestant number 17, Mercy Tinechong Kipgen.
Good evening, Kuchibai. I am Mercy Tinechong Kipgen from Haipizang, Gangpokpi district. I am 21 years old. I love singing, dancing, experiencing new things, and helping others thrill me. I'm a fresh graduate, and I aspire to become a professional singer in future. Thank you. Kuchibai.
Your contestant number 17, Mercy Tinechong Kipgen. Our last contestant remains. We have contestant number 18, Ningzai Kim Baite. Contestant number 18, Ningzai Kim Baite, Churachandpur.
Good evening, Kuchibai. I am Ningzai Kim Baite, 20 years of age, hailing from Songlei Mongbong village, Saiko. I am currently pursuing BA 5th semester at GM College of Arts. I'm most comfortable when I'm in front of the camera, and I love making videos. I aspire to become a civil servant, benefiting our society at large. And once again, Kuchibai.
These are your contestants, contestant number 1 to 9.
Let us all give a big round of applause for all these 18 gorgeous ladies.
Those were your contestants from 1 to 9. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, your contestants 10 to 18 for Miss Good 2022. From contestant number 10 to 18.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all give them a big round of applause. These are the top 18 gorgeous ladies for you this evening. One of them will go ahead and be crowned Miss Good 2022.
These are your beautiful contestants from contestant number 10 to 18. One of these beautiful 18 contestants will take the crown of Miss Good 2022. Churachandpur, who do you think is going to be crowned Miss Good 2022? Churachandpur, who do you think is going to be crowned the Miss Good 2022? What's your guesses?
Ladies and gentlemen, these are your top 18 gorgeous ladies. Please give them a big round of applause. Please take a very good look at them. They are the top 18 gorgeous ladies. Thank you. Now the contestants may exit the stage. Music.
These 18 most beautiful ladies backstage, eagerly waiting to walk the ramp. Only 10 will survive this elimination round. They will compete for a life-changing title of Miss Good 2022.
The results are in our hand. They have been internally monitored, and the result is in random orders. So here is the moment. Are you ready? Let's see who are our top 10 finalists.
Starting with the first spot in the top 10. Churachandpur. This is going to be your first contestant in the top 10. The first spot goes to contestant number 16, Teresa Nyang. We have contestant number 16, Teresa Nyang.
That is our first 10 semi-finalists for the evening. Churachandpur, let's find out who would be our next semi-finalist.
We have the results in our hands, ladies and gentlemen.
The second top 10 semi-finalist is contestant number 3, Vahoy Chong Haukip. Contestant number 3, Vahoy Chong Haukip.
Each spot becomes more precious. We have our top 3 right here, right now. I'm going to call up the third contestant in our top 10. Contestant number 14, Kim Nun Them Angelica. Contestant number 11, Nancy Mayan Langbam. The next contestant who can have a spot in the top 10 finalists is... I'm gonna keep it a little slow. We have contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate. Seems like a crowd favorite, Rose.
She is, and I believe that each of these contestants have put in their heart and soul to this, and I think they all deserve it. They look gorgeous. So here she is, contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate. 5 down. And place number 6 belongs to contestant number 5, Kim Ching Them Sing Son.
We have contestant number 5, Kim Ching Them Sing Son. There is also a place in this competition for Miss. Whom do you think is it going to be, Churachandpur? Whom do you think is it going to be, Churachandpur? I'm going to call up the next contestant, contestant number 12, CC Lingdei Chongkim Kong Sai. We have contestant number 12, CC Lingdei Chongkim Kong Sai.
The contestant who can join the rest 7 is contestant number 18, Ning Zakim Baite.
Only 2 spots remain. So many beautiful women, but so little space left. We have our next contestant. Contestant number 1, Irungbam Pinky Devi. Hold your breath, ladies and gentlemen. We have 1 spot left. 1 spot left in the top 10 finalists for Miss Good 2022. 1 spot. And the last spot goes to contestant number 15, Rosie Nyang Beak Moy.
These are all in random order. We welcome our 10th semi-finalists for this evening. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen, our top 10 semi-finalists. Congratulations, ladies.
When we come back, out of these 10, 5 will move 1 step closer to be crowned the Miss Good 2022. Churachandpur, let's find out in a short moment.
We request the ushers to kindly come on the stage to arrange the seats for these ladies. Can we lower the music, please? Ushers, lungseta in stage ahung dopyo.
This round is a common question round, and every single one of these ladies will be writing their answers on a piece of paper.
Kindly write your name and your contestant number. The answer that you would give will determine how far you get closer to the crown. I would request the contestants to kindly take your seats. You would be given a blank piece of paper to write down your answers.
They all will be given one common question, and the answer will decide and put them one step closer to be crowned Miss Good 2022.
You will have exactly 2 minutes to complete your answer.
And this is to request all the contestants again, please mention your name and your contestant number as well.
We request the panel of judges to kindly proceed towards the respective seats. The 4 panel judges, if you can kindly come forward and take your seats. We would ask each one of you ladies to pick up a card which would have the question, and you would be requested to give your answers in the blank sheet of paper. And please, let me remind you once again that you would have only 2 minutes. So all the best, ladies. Give it your best shot.
And this is another reminder to all the contestants to please mention your name and your contestant numbers.
We request the ushers to kindly bring in the common question for our contestants. While the judges are taking their seats, let me quickly go through the common question. Wait a minute. As soon as the judges are ready, you can give me a thumbs up.
Are the panel of judges ready? So my co-host will read the common question to these 10 beautiful ladies. We have one last guest to arrive at your respective seat, please. I would like to request the last panel of judge, the last judge, to please take your respective seats, sir.
So, moving on, the common question. Please feel free to ask me to repeat if you would not have got the question, because we would want you to give it your best. So good luck, ladies. Here's your question. Do you think smartphone is spoiling human relationships, or does it not spoil the relationships? And please explain why. I'll repeat that for you. Do you think smartphones is spoiling human relationships, or does it not? If yes, please why? Good luck. And the time starts now. We only have 2 minutes.
Exactly 2 minutes, ladies.
Last 1 minute to go.
We have 30 seconds remaining, ladies. 30 seconds.
Let's go ahead. 10, 9.
Thank you, Churachandpur.
Thank you so much for being so supportive. I would request our ushers to kindly come up and collect the answer sheets from our contestants. When Sean and I would be reading out your answers, we would request that particular contestant to kindly step ahead.
I would like to request all the contestants to please be on our feet. All the contestants on your feet, please. So the common question that was given to these top 10 ladies was, do you think smartphone is spoiling human relationships? Or does it not spoil? And why?
So judges, we hope you're ready. You have a daunting task ahead of you. The fate of one of these beautiful ladies lies in your hands now. Our first contestant, which is contestant number 16, Teresa, has written as this. That is contestant number 16, Teresa. Teresa says, the fact that smartphones is both good and bad depends on the beholder. Smartphones have given us the ability to connect with our loved ones and people who live far away from us. It does not affect our both mental and physical health. Everything is good, but in moderation. Thank you.
This was your contestant number 16, Teresa's answer. Now I have with me the answer for contestant number 15, Rosie Nyang Biakmoy. Please step forward. So her answer is this. No, I don't think smartphone spoils relationships because it helps us communicate in times of emergency. It also gives information easily by making calls or texting. It also helps people to contact each other regularly. It is also the fastest and easiest way in making the real strong bond relationships between families, loved ones, and friends. That was your contestant number 15's answer, Rosie Nyang Bakmoy.
Our third 10 finalist, contestant number 14, Kim Nun Them Angelica Bora. The judges are simply confirming the details before we proceed. Contestant number 14, Kim Nun Them Angelica Bora, has written as this. Smartphone plays a very important role in our modern life. It is connecting and bringing people together around the world. A human relationship cannot be defined by smartphones, but by emotion and respect. So according to me, smartphones does not affect human relationships. That was contestant number 14. Thank you.
Step forward, contestant number 18, Ningzai Kim Baite. Contestant number 18 has written this. I believe smartphones does not spoil human relationships, but rather connect humans. People living in different countries and places can build their connection through using smartphones. Not only that, it also helps us in our daily life, from students to job seekers or anyone. Thank you so much. That was the answer from contestant number 18, Ningzai Kim Baite.
Please step forward, contestant number 12, Sisi Lingdei Chongkim Kongsai. And her answer is, I think that smartphone, it depends on a person, and I think for someone who used it in a good ways, won't spoil it. But for someone who used it a bad ways, can spoil it. Thank you.
Please step forward, contestant number 5, Kim Ching Them Sing Son. So she disagrees to this question and she answers as this. No, because smartphones usage depends on individuals using it. The people from both sides should learn to communicate more and have a mutual understanding between them. They should instead keep on communicating and make their relationship stronger by texting, FaceTiming, and more. That was your contestant number 5, Kim Ching Them Sing Son.
Next up we have contestant number 1, Irangbam Pinky Devi. Please step forward. Thank you. Contestant number 1 has answered as this. No, I don't think, because smartphone helps people connection with each other. I can help in people with good relationship, with love and care through smartphone. Thank you very much.
Next we have, please step forward, contestant number 11, Nancy Mayang Lambam. She answers as this. As we are living in a 21st century, we need a smartphone. It can either bring our relationship close or depart that relationship. So let us use in good terms to support each other and for the development of our society. That was the answer from contestant number 11, Nancy Mayang Lambam.
Our second final is contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate. Please step forward. Gloria has answered as this. Technology have become smarter in the 21st century. Even small kids can use smartphones to watch YouTube. If we used in the way it means a blessing for us. We abuse it can ruin someone's life. It depends on the individual. Thank you. Thank you, Gloria.
Our last contestant, please step forward, contestant number 3, Wahoi Chong Haukip.
That will be all for now. Thank you so much, ladies. You may now exit the stage.
Those were your top 10 semi-finalists. One of them will soon be crowned the Miss Coot 2022.
Now is the moment where we would know, out of the top 10, which 5 ladies would move forward. I would request our top 10 semi-finalists to please get on the stage.
our top 10 semi-finalists, starting with contestant number 16, Teresa Nyangai Sang. I'm sorry for the mispronunciation. Contestant number 16, Teresa Nyangai Sang.
Music.
Music, please. Our next contestant is contestant number 14, Kim Nun Them Angelica Bora. Contestant number 3, Vahoy Song Haukip. Contestant number 11, Nancy Mayang Lambam. Contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate. Contestant number 5, Kim Ching Them Sing Sot. Contestant number 12, Cecil Hingde Chong Kim Kong Sai. Contestant number 18, Ning Zai Kim Baite. Contestant number 1, Irungbam Pinky Devi. And last, contestant number 15, Rosie Nyang Biak Moy. So here you are, Churachandpur, our top 10 semi-finalists. Five will move one step closer to be crowned the Miss Good 2022. Churachandpur, are you ready?
We have the result in our hands. I have the names of the top 5 finalists. We can turn off the music now.
The top 5 starts now. The first contestant making the top 5 is contestant number 16, Teresa Nyangai Sang.
Also still in the competition is contestant number 14, Kim Nun Them Angelia Bora.
The third spot is contestant number 15, Rosie Nyang Biak Moy.
Seven women remain. There are only 2 highly coveted spots. Let us hear it for our fourth finalist, which is contestant number 3, Vahoy Chong Haukip.
Six women with a dream and only 1 spot left. Churachandpur, who do you think is going to be the last contestant? We have contestant number, congratulations, contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate. Give it up for your top 5. One of them will soon be crowned Miss Good 2022.
Here they are, ladies and gentlemen, our 5 finalists for this evening. One of them will be crowned Miss Good 2022. As we all know that Miss Good is not just a title. The woman who wins the crown instantly becomes the Good ambassador. She must be a great communicator, quick, clear, and confident. The next question round would put that ability to the test.
We are coming up to the moment of truth. Out of these 5 beautiful women, 1 will be crowned Miss Good 2022. I would like to call the ushers.
In this basket are individual envelopes of different questions that would be presented to each of these contestants. You would have to pick one of these envelopes and we would read out the question, and they're all individual questions.
First up, contestant number 2.
And the first question of the evening. My co-host will read it out to you. All the best.
Contestant number 2. Her question is, which one would you choose? A rich man or a faithful man? And why?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you
Step
for
forward,
the
please.
question.
Sorry, please step forward. Thank you.
Thank you for the question. I will choose a faithful man because a faithful man is a word to be husband than a rich man, because if a rich man is unfaithful to me, why should I choose an unfaithful person to be an husband to me? So I'll rather choose a faithful man to be my husband. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Next we have contestant number 5. Co-host will read the question for contestant number 5.
This is very interesting. So the question for you is, which one would you choose? The conflicting wish of your boyfriend or your parents, and why? Let me repeat that for you. Which one would you choose? The conflicting wish of your boyfriend or your parents, and why? Which one of these would you choose? A conflicting wish of your boyfriend or your parents, and why?
Good evening, everyone. I would choose the wish of my parents because they have raised me since my childhood, and even when I'm a child, I don't know how much hardship and how much struggles they would have gone through. Since I'm from a middle-class family, we struggle to meet our daily ends. So, my boyfriend, I can choose another one. So for me, I will fulfill the wish of my parents. Thank you. But we can't choose our parents. Thank you.
That was quite a smart answer. Third, can you please step forward? Thank you.
This is our contestant, Teresa.
And your question is, which place on earth or city would you like to visit and why? Let me repeat that for you. Which place on earth or city would you like to visit and why?
As a person who has a big interest in fashion, I would probably visit Paris, which is known to be the country of fashion, because I would love to put, excuse me, I would love to dress up with our world into modernity. Thank you.
Very much. Paris is, I believe, everybody's dream. Now, next up.
Next up, we have Angelica. She has picked a question. And my co-host is going to read her question now.
And your question is, good luck. Do you think social media needs to be controlled and why? Let me repeat that for you. Do you think social media needs to be controlled and why?
Good evening, everyone. I hope you're having a good time. So my answer is, I think social media should be controlled because everyone is not perfect and we are trying to be perfect, you know. So we should treat one another how you expect to be treated. Someone is trying to be beautiful, you should appreciate her, not troll her for trying. So we should treat someone how we want to be treated, even on social media and on real life. Thank you.
That was quite a smart answer. Well, I think the judges are going to have a very tough time. And our fifth finalist.
Contestant number 3 has picked a question, the last question for tonight.
And your question is, whom would you choose to meet? A film star or a famous businessman and why? Let me repeat that for you. Whom would you choose to meet? A film star or a famous business person and why?
Thank you so much for a wonderful question. Different people have different perception, and yes, according to me, I would rather meet a famous businessman because since my childhood, I have always been dreaming to become a businessman, woman. So if I meet my idol, I think I'm gonna take advice from him, and so that I could become rich one day, and through that I could help thousands of people, the poor, the needy, and also spread love and unity among different cultures of our state. Thank you, and I would like to end by saying, long live good. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was quite a smart answer. Thank you so much, ladies. You may now take the backstage. Generously donated the cash prize of our winners. Rupees 1 lakh cash prize was donated by Pidongil IPS DGP Manipur. The sponsor for our first runner-up, rupees 75,000, was donated by Sanmati Traders Imphal. The second runner-up will be presented by T.H. Arun Kumar, Honorable MLA. We would also request our co-sponsor, Atomy, to please get on the backstage. We would request a member of our sponsor, Atomy team, to kindly report backstage.
There are 6 subtitles in Miss Good 2022. Let me read out some of them. Traditional dress designer will be sponsored by Lezara Restaurant. Best Smile will be presented by Gigi Cafe Churachandpur. Best Skin, Atomy Skincare. Hair, AK Enterprise, Pauna Bazaar. Miss Photogenic, PCB Agency, Uripok. And Miss Congeniality, Vadilal Ice Cream, Renkai. Thank you to all our sponsors.
Once we announce the winner of our subtitles, I would request our chief guest, Poo Khemchand, to the honors of crowning or presenting the cash prize to our winner. Then we have Poo Paulinlal Haukib, who will be presenting the cash prize to our first runner-up. And also, Pu T.H. Arun Kumar, Honorable MLA, to present the cash prize to our second runner-up. We request all the 6 sponsors to kindly come on the stage.
These are the subtitles for Miss Good 2022. Let me call on stage all the sponsors for Miss Good 2022 subtitles. Let me name them one by one. For Miss Traditional Dress, Lezara Restaurant. For Best Smile, J.S.K. Cafe, Churachandpur. Best Skin, Atomy Skincare Product. Best Hair, AK Enterprises, Pauna Bazaar. Miss Photogenic, PCB Agency, Uripok. And Miss Congeniality, Vadilal Ice Cream, Renkai.
We request all the 6 sponsors to kindly come on the stage. We have the result of the winners of the 6 subtitles. We request all the 6 sponsors once again to kindly come up on the stage.
Again, Lezara Restaurant, Atomy Skincare Product, who are here. J.S.K. Cafe, Churachandpur. AK Enterprise, Pauna Bazaar. PCB Agency, Uripok. And Vadilal Ice Cream, Renkai. We would also like to request again to please come on stage. All the sponsors for subtitle.
So the first subtitle winner, which is the lady with the most beautiful skin, and to give away the winner and the prize, we have Atomy Skincare team. The winner for the best skin goes to contestant number 10, Ning Dae Kim. Here she is, and to present the gift, we request one of the sponsor, a team member sponsor from the Atomy Team Care.
Best Beautiful Skin, contestant number 10, Ning Dae Kim. For the next subtitle, we have the subtitle of Miss Beautiful Hair.
And the winner is
Miss Beautiful Hair. We have contestant number for Miss Beautiful Hair, contestant number 12, CC Lingdae Choi Kim Kong Sai.
she would receive a cash prize of rupees 20,000. Our Miss Beautiful Hair, Sisi Lingdae Choi Kim Kong Sai. Congratulations.
We have the next subtitle. The next subtitle for Miss Beautiful Smile. For the next subtitle of Miss Beautiful Smile, we have contestant number 9, Tuibong Shushima Devi. Our sponsor for Miss Beautiful Smile is GG Cafe Churachandpur with a cash prize of 20,000.
That is contestant number 9, Tuibong Shushima Devi with the most beautiful smile. And she would receive a cash prize of rupees 20,000. Congratulations.
We have Miss Beautiful Smile, contestant number 9, Tuibong Shushima Devi.
Next up, the next title is Miss Photogenic.
Miss Photogenic subtitle is sponsored by PCB agency Uripok with a cash prize of 20,000.
And the winner of Miss Photogenic is contestant number 4, Hilary Chanu. That was contestant number 4, Hilary Chanu. She has won the title of Miss Photogenic, and she receives a cash prize of rupees 20,000. Is contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate, who has won the Best Designer.
Best Traditional Attire, contestant number 2. For Miss Congeniality subtitle, we have contestant number 14, Kim Nunthem Angelica Bora. The Miss Congeniality subtitle has been sponsored by Vadilal Ice Cream Rinkai with a cash prize of 20,000.
That is contestant number 14, Kim Nunthem Angelia Bora. Congratulations, ladies. I would request all the 18 contestants to please remain on the stage, and I would request our top 5 to please step forward. If I could have all of you ladies, please stand in a line.
the top 5 for you for Miss Good 2022. One of them will be crowned Miss Good 2022. Here we are, the top 5. Now, I'll take a short moment in welcoming on stage the reigning Miss Good 2019, Marlin. Let's all give her a huge round of applause in welcoming the reigning Miss Good 2019, Miss Marlin Ningmon Singh Paite.
Marlin Ningmon Singh Paite. It always been a great pleasure to see Puki, Jean, Mizo and Zomi people gathering together to celebrate this auspicious occasion. It shows the unity and love among us as brethren, brothers and sisters. I felt great privilege and deeply honored to bear the crown and title of Miss Good across my heart for more than 2 years. To all my well-wishers and supporters along the way, thank you. My profound gratitude goes out to you all. Special thanks to my family for all your gracious help and your unwavering belief in me. Thank you to the organizer. Above all, thank you God. I'm proud to say I was able to contribute love and kindness during my reign, and tonight as I step down from my reign, all the memories and the learnings will last a lifetime and more. And to my successor, my only advice I have for you is to continue the legacy of spreading kindness and love regardless of all the hurdles, but most importantly, make sure that you enjoy your reign. And to all the other contestants, remember that even if you don't get to wear the crown tonight, you all are unbelievable and amazing queens yourself. You are one step closer, and this is a positive redirection towards your goal.
It is an honor to call the reigning Miss Good, Marlin Ningmon Singh Paite, on stage now. It is time now for her final walk before passing the crown to the new Miss Good 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our reigning Miss Good, Miss Marlin Ningmon Singh Paite. Marlin, you have set the bar quite high. Just a few moments, one of these contestants will have a big shoe to fill and a very new crown to wear. Miss Good 2019, Marlin Ningmon Singh Paite. Thank you. Music down, please.
Can we turn off the music, please?
Well, Marlin, you have set the bar quite high, and in just a few moments, one of these 5 beautiful contestants will have a big shoe to fill and a new crown to wear.
And to the honors to present our winners, I would like to call on stage our chief guest for the evening session, Pu Khem Chan, who is the Honorable MLA and Minister and Advisor to our Honorable Chief Minister Manipur. And I would like to call upon P. Kim Neo Haukip Hangshing to present the cash prize to our first runner-up. And last but not the least, I would like to call on stage Pu T.H. Arun Kumar, Honorable MLA, to present the cash prize to our second runner-up. I would request the remaining contestants, they could leave the stage now. Thank you so much, ladies. Once again, you all look gorgeous tonight.
I have just opened the envelope, and here is the result for Miss Good. Whom do you think Churachandpur is going to take the coveted crown of Miss Good 2022? Any guesses, Churachandpur?
I have the result in my hands, and I must say that I'm very, very nervous right now. So let us not wait any longer. Sean, whom do you think is going to be the second runner-up?
I am actually rooting for some. It's going to be hard for me to even guess because the judges had a really hard time in choosing the winner.
So without further ado, we would request my co-host Sean to kindly present the winner. For second runner-ups, please announce it. And to present the cash prize, I would request Pu T.H. Arun Kumar to kindly give the cash prize.
For the second runner-up of Miss Good 2022, please step forward. Rose, should I call it now?
Please do, Sean, because I'm really nervous right now. I can only imagine what these beautiful girls must be feeling at the moment.
Okay, so without further ado, I'll call on stage. Please come in up front, second runner-up. Contestant number 15, Rosie Niang Biak Moy. And to do the honors, please, Pu T.H. Arun Kumar to do the honors. Thank you, sir.
He would present the sash, the crown, the gift, and of course, the big money. Congratulations! Let us all give a big round of applause for our second runner-up of Miss Good 2022.
Contestant number 15, Rosie Niang Biak Moy. Take your walk, second runner-up. We have Rosie Niang Biak Moy, second runner-up, Miss Good 2022. We are one step closer. We are inching towards the crowning of Miss Good 2022. Thank you, Pu Arun Kumar. So to present the first runner-up, I would like to request P. Kim Neo Hang Sing, Honorable MLA, to do the honors for the first runner-up. The first runner-up, four beautiful ladies. One is going to be the first runner-up. Contestant number Churachandpur, contestant number 3, Vahoi Chong Haukip.
That is your first runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, of Miss Good 2022. Congratulations. Here's the sash and the gift, followed by the big money.
Your first runner-up for Miss Good 2022, contestant number 3, Vahoi Chong Haukip.
of the winners to kindly move a little backstage. And the remaining 3 to please step forward. Churachandpur. Everyone who's in Churachandpur, the final time is here, where we would know, or we would have, the Miss Good 2022. Any guesses? Any guesses? And to crown our winner, we have our reigning Miss Good of 2019.
Marlin Ning Moin Ching Paite, please step forward.
So here it is. Months of hard work and preparation. The time is here. I have the winner in my hand.
Finalists, the time has come. One of you 3 beautiful ladies will be crowned Miss Good 2022. Good luck to all.
And the winner of Miss Good 2022
is
any guesses?
Should I rather call it tomorrow? Should I rather call it tomorrow? Because my heart is pounding. Let's
Mine
call
too.
on stage the Miss Good 2022 Rose.
And our Miss Good would be presented with a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh. And that will be presented by our chief guest. The winner, ladies and gentlemen, is contestant number 16, Teresa Nyang-Aisang.
Here we have, ladies and gentlemen, your Miss Good 2022 contestant number 16, Teresa Nyang-Aisang.
And we call upon the Atomy team, a team member from the Atomy group, to present the prize. Ladies and gentlemen, here is your Miss Good 2022. Please give her a big round of applause. Mipisa Jose Kutbeng Ute.
Your contestant number 16, Teresa Nyang-Aisang, the Miss Good 2022. Please take your first walk as Miss Good 2022. Churachandpur, Teresa for you, Miss Good 2022.
And we also have Team Atomy to do the honors of giving her a gift voucher.
Our Miss Good will be given a gift hamper by the Atomy team. This is the Atomy team presenting the gift hamper to our Miss Good 2022, Teresa Churachandpur.
Thank you so much, Team Atomy. There's another gift hamper to our first runner-up and our second runner-up, which has been generously sponsored by Atomy Care.
apa la la zinge. Lim apa la la zinge. Now the three winners will take a group picture with our chief guest for tonight's function and the presenters for the winners. Would also like to take a small moment with all the winners of Miss Good 2022. Here you are, beautiful ladies. This is your night.
What a beautiful and incredible evening, Sean. I mean, it was such a great time. I've had a great time hosting with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rose, again for being the co-host. And thank you again for coming all the way from Delhi.
Thank you. I would now like to ask a couple of questions to our winners. So are you ready? Congratulations to all the beautiful ladies here. And the question is for our Miss Good 2022. My question is, I'm sure there's a tsunami of things going on, emotions going on inside of you, but other than that all, what do you have to say about tonight's crowd?
Thank you so much, everyone, for coming here and witnessing me winning 2022 Miss Good this year. And I would love to thank everyone who supported me and guide me through this journey of mine. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Let's chant for the Miss Good 2022. Again, one more time, Churachandpur. Here you are, the winners of Miss Good 2022.
Please take the last ramp walk of the stage. You can all ladies join backstage. Thank you very much.
Now that's a wrap for post-pandemic Good 2022. Thank you each and every one of you for joining us. Thank you all who have been watching the live broadcast back home and all around the world.
Thank you so much for sparing your precious time and joining with us. Thank you so much. We'll see you again in Good 2023. Good night, everyone. Mipizo se namang pato and drive safe.
Mipite ho, goodbye again.